Hello guys, I'm currently now here in Lahore Fort and we're going to Mughal Fort. Ang taray guys. The place is very nice and the people are enjoying their trip here. Diba? Sunny and windy. Ayan guys, lakad-lakad lang tayo guys. It's a very nice place to visit. Add this to your itinerary. Guys, mahaba-habang lakad to guys. Diba? Diba? Another experience of Lahore, Pakistan trip. Hi! Assalamualaikum!